According to the Texas Animal Health Commission, there is a confirmed case of highly pathogenic avian influenza in a backyard non-commercial flock in Carson County. KAMR Local 4's Princess Bryant has more on what this means and if other cases can arise.
Holly T. Director of Emergency Management for the Texas Animal Health Commission, says that on December 8th, the owners of the backyard flock began noticing sick and dying birds. She goes on to say that it was confirmed that it was in fact highly pathogenic avian influenza.
We had some more before, and those all died to the disease, but then there were 27 left. So when our regulatory officials got out there, they were humanely euthanized the remaining birds so that that prevents spread of the disease to other places surrounding it.
T. covers the other steps that the commission takes so other flocks in the area are not infected.
So one of the things that we do per our protocols when we do have a positive premises is we do surveillance. And what that entails is we go around in that area, and what we'll do is we'll look for other folks that have backyard flocks, and we will just check in with them to make sure that they also don't have a sick or dying bird.
Although the disease can be passed to humans, Dr. Merton Pearson for Nova's Ark Pet Hospital says there's no evidence of that.
As far as we know, there's no evidence that it's ever gotten into a human and caused a problem. So from where I sit looking at people, it's not a problem. It's not something to be terrified of. No reason not to eat your chicken. It's still good. You know, it's still safe.
Dr. Pearson says for those with a backyard flock, having it fenced off prevents from wild birds that may be carrying the disease to get in. He adds that washing your hands and having a set of clothes to use when handling the flock helps prevent the spread of the disease from one flock to the next. Live in studio, Princess Bryant, KMR Local 4 News. Maya?
Princess, thank you. Dr. Pearson says that the big takeaway is that the virus is not jumping from birds to humans, so there is no reason to panic.